How to check previous Discord servers that you joined. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily check all of the previous servers that you've joined on Discord. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing that you need to know is that Discord does not have a built-in feature to directly list all of the servers that you've previously joined, but you can request a Discord data package from Discord support. It will include a list of all of your servers and the servers that you've been a member of. So to request that package, you want to head over to the U tab at the bottom, and then from here click on the settings icon at the top right. Now click on data and privacy. Now click on request all of my data. And once you have done that, you will be able to request your data, which will include all of the messages, the servers that you've previously joined, and all of those information. And once your request has been accepted, you will be able to download your data and view all of your previous server history. And that's how you easily check your previous servers that you joined on Discord. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down on the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time.